Hey everyone, John for Popeyes Postcards. Let's move that up. We're going to do our What Sold video. These are the sales from Thursday the 27th through Sunday the 30th. I was out of town picking up the million postcards and drove those back. Haven't even unloaded the truck yet, which I'm going to do here soon. As you can see on the screen, I had 63 orders for $724 from Thursday to Sunday. Pretty good stack of cards going out. I had one sale over on Hip, so I'm not going through all 63 cards or orders that sold. I have a truck to unpack today. So let's go ahead and get started with some of the more interesting cards. This is anthropomorphic singing dressed frogs, bathing suits, birthday 1907. Pretty cool card. $29.99 for this card. It's going overseas. I can't remember exactly where. Pretty cool card. This is New Orleans, Louisiana, interior old absinthe house, 1906. $21 on a best offer. You see a whole bunch of common views of this house on the outside. The real photos do the best. Inside, you don't see them too often. So that's why this one brought 21 bucks. Next, we have these two cards are going to Hong Kong or China. I can't remember, but these is a reproduction of this road, this street view as it looked in the 1920s. But it's a reprint. $10.99 for that card, and this one of the Connaught Road and the pier, Blake Pier, $10.99. I think I took best offers, probably $9 each. This is a Matthew Kirsch Halloween postcard, Cranky Cake, new 2020 exclusive, limited edition, signed. These are the ones I had Matthew commissioned for me. You can see there on the back that, let me get there, that it's exclusive for Popeyes Postcards. He signs and numbered them. I have 2 left, so it's a great deal for $19.99. Love Matthew's work. If you're not familiar with him, shiverbones.com is his website. This is Hagerstown, Maryland, the only town on the USA map, circa 1908. That's actually in Pennsylvania. That should be a little lower there. That's funny they missed that. I didn't even notice that. $9.99 for that card. Next, Roxbury, New York, Gold House and Church, Kirkside Park. It says real photo, but when I pulled this, I didn't think it was a real photo. Guess I'll find out when the buyer gets it. $16 for that card. This is a studio prop real photo, woman baby on pony, HCF Coach, New York. $10. Let's take a look at that a little closer. That probably is, yeah, I bet that's a real pony. $10 on that one. Sold a lot of patriotic cards. This is George Washington portrait, cherries. I guess birthday is coming up soon. $7.99 for that card. Patriotic Decoration Day to my comrade, Civil War, GAR, soldier. There's that one. And that went for $9.99. Patriotic birthplace of our flag, Betsy Ross House. Chapman is the artist. There's his signature or publisher. And that went for $13.49. Fantasy, anthropomorphic little bears playing tennis, one in the eye, $20.99. Little bears, it's a Tux card. So yeah, $20.99. Another patriotic George Washington, The Day We Celebrate, artist signed Chapman. There's that. $12.99 for that one. Dressed chicken, yellow suit, coat, crowing again, anthropomorphic, 1906. I think there's just a whole series of cards. I've seen zebras and I think giraffes dressed like this too. $10.99 for that card. This is a reward card, composer, history, music, birthplace, Mozart. I don't know why they call them reward cards. Never been able to figure that out unless it was a like a mail-in or redemption type of thing. Really not even a postcard, but that's what I called it. And here's another one for Bach. His birthplace, portrait inset, a little bit of his music on the back. $6.99 for that one. Rehoboth Beach, Delaware, one of those beachy towns to keep an eye out for. 1967 Miss Delaware on Rehoboth Beach, Susan Levens. I think she was turned out to be an actress too. Not sure. $18.99. Next, Cleveland, Ohio, Euclid Beach Amusement Park, Kittyland Aeroplanes. There's that one. And $14.99. Japan, American Great White Fleet, 1908. Cancel, visit, flags, Sperry. So that's Admiral Sperry. When the Great White Fleet went to Japan. Nice cancel. And the Sen, I think SEN is the name of the currency or the stamp. Anyway, $15.37 for that card. This is Belle Forsh, Roundup, Rodeo, Melvin Tivis on Wildcat. Real photo. If you find these rodeo cards with cowgirls, those can bring in really good money. Hundreds. $18.99 for that one. Sold a couple Santa Claus cards. Merry Christmas, Blue Santa Claus Driving Card, Toys, Gold Gilt, 1908. The picture does not do this card justice. It's a beautiful, beautiful Santa. $30 on that one, and the same buyer bought this one. Merry Christmas, Brown Santa Claus, Toy Sack, Window Scared Children, $29.95. Well, maybe not scared, pensive, maybe. So there's that one. That was a nice sale for those two cards. Romney, West Virginia, along the Northwestern Turnpike Pub. So that's short for publishing or publisher. Corbett Drugstore, or published by. Let me see, where's Corbett's? Right there along the side is the publisher. 1937, $10 best offer. This is a postal card advertising automobile, Jungle Cloth, Buick Sales, Rollins, Bangor, Maine. That is a mouthful. Oh, you can get fender covers or seat covers. Covers in jungle cloth. I wonder if that's like leopard skin or something. 1940s. $11 for that card. Nazareth, PA, Lone Star Cement Core and Quarry, 1950s. There's that one. Oh, look at that. Nice big line down through the back. $14 on a best offer. This is Sweden Fairy Trolls Sista Tanden, The Last Tooth. It's a fantasy. Nope, sorry about that. Troll pulling out a tooth. That's pretty neat. I have a whole bunch of this series. $12.99. This one is going to China. Sold a OPC manufactured patch, Chris Pronger President's Trophy. When I was most recently addicted to ripping open packs of hockey cards, this was one that came out of a pack. I'm not interested in Chris Pronger or the Blues. I'm a Penguins guy, but I'll still take $29.95 or $25.95 for that card. This is kind of interesting. Advertising postcard, lobster claw dress hanger, fit right hanger, Wyoming, Pennsylvania. Weird advertising, very specific for these hangers, clothes hangers. And there's the information. $6.50 for that card. Asbury Park, New Jersey, Boardwalk and Casino, linen, $6.99. These sell all day long, $5-6. And another one from Asbury Park, the Casino and Street View, 1933. There's that one. The one loan sale on Hip, large letter greetings, Shelby, New, make that North Carolina, for $5.99. So, not bad for 4 days of not being here. $724. Pretty good. Okay. I gotta go unload a truck. Thank you for watching.